So what we're gonna do? Oh, I need a mic too because we're doing a. I need a mic too. Did you get me a?
Can I help you?
Can you not hear me?
I'm pleasantly disassociated.
We're doing a tool review.
No, we're doing a tech review, and it's not we. You get all the cool stuff in the mail, okay? You get all the cool stuff in the mail, okay?
So
all the cool
stuff.
stuff.
No, you did not get me a.
So you know how you wanted to work with Raycon for like ever?
Those are lavender. That's beautiful.
I know, it's a pretty color, right?
Does it have a case?
It does. So they emailed us.
Okay.
And they asked us if we would be interested. Let me just show you how fancy these little things magnetically snap into there. Look at that. Fancy purple little case, and they just pop in. But they emailed us, and you were busy, so I responded. And, well, since Avery stole my AirPods, I figured you wouldn't be too upset.
I mean, I'm going to let you do it then, and it seems like I can just stand here and be the bystander. I'll look pretty. I'll look pretty this time.
Do you want to go change your clothes? I'm kidding. I'm teasing. I'm teasing. No, so what we have right here are these really awesome little earbuds, actually, from Raycon. The cool thing about Raycon, which I did not know this because, I live under a rock, and I didn't know this was something to be excited about till Jake was like, we heard from Raycon. I'm new here. I'm late to the party. But it turns out they have a 30-day happiness and free return guarantee. So if you don't like these, you have 30 days to return them. Plus, they have really awesome color combinations. So I ordered purple, but get this, you can order a case for your case, like a carry case, right? So it just snaps in. Yeah, and then there's little tape in here, but I haven't decided if I want to leave mine on permanently yet. And it works with the hinge, and then there's a spot for charging right under here, and it's got the little thing, right? But it's got a ton of features, and I'm going to say right off the bat, my two favorites are the fact that they have a quick charge on the battery. So if I am running low and these things are running low, Lord help us all. Have you ever been stuck on an airplane with dead earbuds? That is one of Dante's infernos. I'm certain of it. But this one, if you charge them for 10 minutes, that's like an hour and a half worth of playtime that you're going to get back on. An hour and a half on 10 minutes. So sometimes that's a long 10 minutes, but it's worth it. So hands down, those are going to be my two best favorite ones. They've got touch control. There's wireless charging, so they are wireless compatible, so you can just set them down. But obviously, it does also take a USB-C, which is really nice because it seems like everybody is streamlining more towards USB-C. So it does include one of those with a regular USB end. It's got 32 hours of battery life. I don't even know what the other ones are, but I'm happy. Plus, look at that. It comes with all these different tips. These are ergonomically designed for your ear. So you're going to have, there's a small, a medium, a large, and what we'll call extra large. Probably not the correct sizing names for them, but there's definitely a size for every ear. And it's got that light function on the front so you can see if the batteries are getting low. Now, they also do noise canceling. Oh. Did you know that?
That's how you were able to ignore me.
It's beautiful. But honestly, like when we talked about noise canceling, there's also that awareness feature. So like my favorite way to use these, I mean, I'm a bartender at work. Before the club opens, that is my silence. That is my quiet time. So I can pop these suckers in. They're going to be nice and discreet. They're lightweight. They aren't going to slow me down and fall out of my ear because of these little exchangeable bead sizes, right? But also, when the music is really loud, I can throw them on awareness mode. So it's dampening the noise, but I'm not receiving as much of the loud noises of the club, so I can hear my customers, but I can drown out the DJ, which, I mean, nobody wants to tell the DJ to turn it down. So, I mean, it all works out. But other than that, I mean, really, these are pretty awesome. They're budget friendly. Yes, thank you. See, this is why you're here. You're going to show a good close-up of them. They just cradle right there into that little recharging wireless case. They snap in magnetically. It's very handy. And like I said,
I've seen this from makeup tutorials.
Oh, you have?
Right.
That's fancy.
You gotta hold your hand here.
But yeah, they're budget friendly. They're lightweight. They're discreet. They've got a whole ton of different options for you. Plus that 30-day guarantee. Like if you really don't like these, you can send them back. And there's not many people that'll stand behind their product like that anymore. And from the little bit that I had them, if I can keep them away from a child, they will probably be my favorite.
You got the wrong color for that then.
I know.
Okay, well, I'm going to go.
Oh, you're going to steal them from me now? All right.
I mean, you did the rest of my job, so thanks.
This has been a tech review. I am not the Jake of all. He is. but sometimes I get to the mailbox first.
I'm guessing there's a link in the description.
There will be a link in the description. Yes, you can purchase yours now. And like I said, they're budget friendly. And I'm probably going to go order another set because those are going to go missing.
Yeah, for the price, just get one for all the kids.
It's not a bad idea.
Yeah. Cool. Well, we'll click the own link in our own description.
Heck yeah.